Hello, dear viewers. Today, I will show you how to use an angle grinder correctly and effectively. Get ready for amazing tricks and secrets. Let's start by replacing the cutting disc. Did your drive break and become uneven? No problem, just cut off the damaged part as I show. This will allow you to use the drive again without any problems. Don't forget about personal protective equipment. Always wear safety glasses and gloves when working with an angle grinder. Just insert 2 bolts into the angle grinder as I show, and the plastic will cut very easily. And one more life hack. If your cutting disc is broken, do not rush to throw it away. This will allow you to make small cuts and even sharpen other tools. Friends, do not forget to leave your comments under the video. I will be very interested to know your opinion about these life hacks. Thanks for visiting my channel. I've been waiting for you. Hurry up and subscribe to me. because if you do it at the beginning of the video, this super life hack will be seen by even more users. So, today, we'll teach you how to sharpen any drill in your home yourself. Look, to understand that the drill is dull, you can put two nuts together. If the angle is obtuse, the drill needs to be sharpened. At the end of the video, we'll show the result. But in the meantime, don't forget to like this video. Let's prepare a support for the angle grinder. We need a wood base for mounting and stability of the angle grinder. Such a block will be convenient for the correct positioning of the drill. WD-50 will help sharpening and improve metal glide. The most important part is to guide the drill with each plane of the tip, so we will process all the edges evenly. Let's go. I'll show you how effectively our method worked. Now, the contact angle is sharp. This means the drill is sharpened. Feel free to use this method and tell your friends about my channel. Write to me where you are from, dear viewer. Thank you for watching.